Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and very warm welcome to Arula's first year startup anniversary. Please give a big hand to it. Finally. So my name is Ms. Vanshika Upadhyay. I am the senior Arula care therapist at Arula for Autism. I am delighted to welcome you all here today. Today marks a significant milestone and we are thrilled to have you all share this special occasion on achieving a milestone of completing first successful year as a startup ever since Honorable Government of India has recognized us one. We are here because we share common belief. Every child with autism deserves the best possible support, care and opportunity to thrive. We recognize the unique strength and challenges of children with autism and are committed to empowering them. If there is one thing Arula aims for, it is to ensure that every autistic child grow and achieve heights in their life like every other normal child. Our vision is to create a world where every child with autism is understood, supported and empowered to reach their full potential. At Arula, it is our aim to make sure every child with autism speak, learn and develop with the best of his abilities. At Arula, for Autism, our mission is to provide comprehensive support and resources to families and children affected by autism. We aim to equip parents, especially mothers, with the knowledge and tool which is needed to be the best therapist for their own child. Our program is designed to foster development and bring unprecedented results in autistic children in fastest manner possible. The cause that drives us is simple yet profound: to ensure that every child with autism receive the delicate care, nurture they need. Our ultimate goal is to take every child out of harmful autism zone, and for this our army is in charge of our super mothers. We dedicate learn at Arula day and night the way to be the child's own best therapist. Our motto, Mother be your child's own best therapist, encapsulated our core belief. Every mother possesses within herself great amount of strength, courage and patience to fight against her child diagnosis. She will swim across the 7 oceans and walk across the 5 continents only to ensure that a child is getting the best of what this world has to offer. We aim to harness this natural connection and provide the mother with the expertise and wisdom to support their child's development effectively. Thank you all for being here today and for your unwavering support over the past year. As we look to the future, we remain committed to our vision, mission and cause. Together we can create a brighter, more inclusive world for the children with autism. Here to many more years of making a difference in every child, every mother and every family at a time.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सूर्यनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीधर श्री वरदविनायक शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीधर श्री वरदविनायक ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति श्रद्धपति गंधर्वपति गीत निरंतर सहो सूर्य निरागस हो गणपति सूर्य निरागस हो मोरया मोरया गणपति बाप्पा मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया मोरया सूर्य निरागस हो सूर्य निरागस हो
Moving on, good evening everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It is with great pride and admiration that we gather to celebrate the incredible contributions of the Arula Super Moms and Super Dads within our Arula family. These exceptional individuals have not only embraced the profound responsibility of parenthood, but have also dedicated themselves to create a supportive and nurturing environment for the neurodivergent children. Our Arula Super Moms and Super Dads are truly remarkable. They are distinguished by their boundless patience, unwavering love, and an extraordinary ability to adapt to and nurture the unique needs for their children. Their journey is one of resilience and devotion as they tirelessly fight for their children, ensuring they receive the best possible care, education, and opportunities. These parents go above and beyond, offering their time, energy, and resources to ensure that their child is getting the best of what the world has to offer. At Arula, they work closely with their Arula Care therapists, other parents, and of course, our dear Mayuri ma'am, who ensures their child's potential is fully realized. What sets our Arula Super Moms and Super Dads apart is their unique blend of strength and compassion. They are not only mothers and fathers, but also our role models. Their sheer determination and commitment inspires us every day. They teach us that every challenge can be met with creativity and love, and that every child, regardless of being in any sort of spectrum or any neurodivergence, is capable of reaching newer and newer heights every single day. In a world that misunderstands and overlooks any sort of neurodivergent children, our Arula Super Moms shine as beacons of hope and champions of change. Their contributions are not just significant, but they are revolutionary. Today, we honor these extraordinary women for their selflessness, their courage, and their unyielding commitment to their children and to our Arula family. In today's world, almost every person says that children with any sort of neurodivergence are incapable of progress. These mothers remind us that through love and dedication, we can and we have proven these remarks wrong. These super moms are warriors. They wake up every day only to face the battlefield of their child's diagnosis and ensure that no war is gone without winning. They are the Lakshmis of our times. Let us now watch a commemorative video highlighting the importance of the tremendous strength and resilience of our super moms, and devote this beautiful song venerating Goddess Lakshmi, inviting our blessings of wealth and prosperity in our lives. Our super moms are like Lakshmis in their lives of their children, because every single day they give these little stars prosperity of growth, development, and rich health. The song which we have chosen to reflect on this deeper meaning is Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma, meaning, O Lord, may every child get the blessing of inviting a Lakshmi in the form of his mother in his home to ensure he is blessed with the best of the material, spiritual, and developmental prosperities.
భాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ భాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ నమ్మమ్మని సౌభాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ
నమ్మమ్మని సౌభాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ నమ్మమ్మని సౌభాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ
నమ్మమ్మని
సౌభాగ్యలక్ష్మీ వారమ్మ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮರ್ಚಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವಾರಮ್ಮ
So moving on, here are 5 videos of our Arula Super Moms who are expressing their experience after becoming a part of our Arula Super family. First is Dr. Pallavi Goswami. Son's name is Sanidhya Goswami. Age is 11 years and they live in Kullu.
Of them, I was just like, this is something soothing. I don't want that stress. मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस लगता था सब चीज़ें करने का, बहुत सब पे भार लगता था रोज़ की। एज अ डॉक्टर आई एम इन क्लिनिक, मेरे को सब चीज़ें फॉलो वहाँ करनी है और वापस आना है। मुझे हर चीज़ ऐसे फील होती थी कि यार नाउ दैट स्ट्रेस इज ऑलवेज देयर कि यार ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है। बट जैसे जैसे अरुला की एक्टिविटीज आर सो सिंपल एंड सो नाइस एंड दे आर जस्ट लाइक कि बच्चा एकदम उनको फॉलो करने लग जाता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि आपको कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं फील होता, आपको टेंशन नहीं लगती कि यार ये करना है। दे आर 10 minutes एक्टिविटीज एंड दे आर सच लवली एक्टिविटीज कि बच्चा ऑल्सो एंजॉयज। ऐसा नहीं होता कि बच्चे फील डिस्ट्रेस, और वो सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। नहीं तो हम जैसे घर पे भी मैं कुछ फॉलो करने की सोचती हूँ तो सानिध्या कर बेटा कर 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 मैं पुश हमेशा देना पड़ता है। नाउ मेन इम्प्रूवमेंट्स जो इंस्टेंटली मुझे अरुला से, अभी तो मुझे जस्ट 1.5 महीना ही हुआ है, बट जो मेन इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लग रही हैं दीज आर द थिंग्स जो मैं बोलती थी पीछे पढ़ पढ़ के कि ये बेटा कर, यहाँ ये रख दे, यहाँ ये कर दो, यहाँ कर दो। वो मुझे 10-20 डेज जो मैम ने एक तरीके से जो चीज़ें बताई कि इस तरह से करना है, तो अब मेरा बच्चा ऑटोमेटिकली घर आता है। मैम ने मुझे बोला कि नहीं बोलना है कि जब आप आ रहे हो घर, जब हम घर आते हैं तो शूज़ रैक पे रखते हैं। एंड सच बेसिक सेंटेंस है। तो मैं बोलती थी सानिध्य जाओ शूज पे उस पे रख दो, जाओ ये कर दो, जाओ ये कर दो। लेकिन जो तरीका समझाने का है बच्चे को, दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट अप्रोच। और बच्चा मुझे अगली बार बोलने नहीं पड़ा, मैंने एक ऐसे किया और वो इमीडिएटली उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि वहाँ रखना है। और अब मुझे किसी चीज़ के लिए बोलना नहीं होता, वो अपनी चीज़ें खुद बना रहा है। He makes French fries for himself. He makes his laziness is improved a lot. वो जो सुस्ती में रहता था वो बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है। वो अपने लिए सैंडविच बनाता है, वो अपने लिए मैगी बना रहा है, वो अपने लिए जो अपना बैग है वो खुद पैक कर रहा है। जो एक्टिविटीज़ जो मैम ने दी हैं उनसे वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुद सब चीज़ें फॉलो कर रहा है। और जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ मैम ने वो बताई थी, वो हम फॉलो करते थे, तो वो फॉलो करके वो खुद ही वो चीज़ें कर रहा है। तो ही इज बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल। सबसे बेस्ट थिंग है ही इज टॉकिंग मोर।
डिड दो नहीं दूंगी, नहीं दूंगी। आप क्या बोलोगे? नहीं तो मम्मा बोल रही नहीं दूंगी, आपको चाहिए ना, आप क्या बोलोगे? दो मुझे 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 बोल रहे हो ना, मुझे।
सबसे बेस्ट थिंग वो है। और आई एम इन अ बेटर पोजिशन राइट नाउ। जो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी तो स्टार्टिंग है, अभी तो मुझे बहुत चीज़ें और देखनी है। तो मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक है, तो मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आफ्टर 1 year एवरीथिंग विल बी सच अ ग्रेट कंडीशन कि मुझे कुछ और सोचने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। मुझे ये लगता था कुछ रह रहा है, कुछ तो रह रहा है कि जो मैं अपने बच्चे के साथ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। एंड नाउ आई एम एट ईज कि मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं फील होता। जो एक्टिविटीज होती है हम फन वे में करते हैं। और मैम इज सच अ सपोर्टर कि व्हेनेवर यू आर डाउन तो शी ऑलवेज गाइड्स कि कोई बात नहीं किया तो ट्राई अगेन ट्राई। शी डजंट लेट अस टू गिव अप। और वो जो मैं बोलती कोई बात नहीं कि ट्राई तो क्या हुआ, नहीं किया तो। एंड दैट अप्रोच से क्या हुआ, अगर कोई और थेरेपिस्ट तो नहीं किया, he also must be stressed, और वो हमें स्ट्रेस दे देता था और उससे हम लोग और स्ट्रेस वे में बच्चे के साथ करते थे। बट मैम ऑलवेज सेड कि डोंट फोर्स द किड। और वो जो फोर्स हमने खत्म कर दी है, वही तो सबसे बड़ी जड़ थी कि हम उस फोर्स से ही सब कुछ करवाते थे। जब वो फोर्स खत्म हो जाती है तो सारा कुछ बच्चा आपके प्यार और आपके अफेक्शन से करने लग जाता है। तो आई लव द अप्रोच ऑफ अरुणा एंड आई होप एंड आई एम डेफिनेट कि होप क्या मैं डेफिनेट हूँ कि मेरा बच्चा, मैम ने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया कि मेरा बच्चा टोटली निकल जाएगा, क्योंकि ही इज इन सच अ बैड, जरूर वो बड़ी एज का है लेकिन वो बोल रहा था, वो काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा था। लेकिन मैम ने उसको जिस तरह की अप्रोच दे रहे हैं तो मुझे लग रहा है उसकी पूरी लैंग्वेज आ जाएगी। तो मेरे लिए तो सच अरुला इज सच मतलब मेरे बहुत करीब है, दिल के करीब। तो आई कांट थैंक मैम मोर कि शी इज देयर डूइंग सच गुड थिंग्स विद मतलब द किड्स, और बच्चे इतने अच्छे इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं क्योंकि इनकी अप्रोच टोटली डिफरेंट है। उनका सब कुछ प्रैक्टिकल बेसिस से चलता है। फालतू में आप पूरा अपना स्ट्रेस लेते हो, नए दूसरी जगह जाते हो, वहाँ स्ट्रेस लेके आप जो बच्चे को घुमा घुमा के बच्चा थका हुआ होता है, तो आप अपने घर की उसमें कर रहे हो और बच्चा कर रहा है। बेस्ट थिंग इज बच्चा कर रहा है। और मैम ने हमें जो रियलाइजेशन दी है कि यू आर द बेस्ट स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट फॉर योर किड एंड दैट इज द बॉटम लाइन जो मैम ने बोला है। इतने प्यार से समझाते हैं मैम। तो अब जब हम कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा बच्चा भी सब कुछ करने लगता है। सच बात है। और थैंक्स अरुणा, थैंक यू मयूरी मैम बीइंग सच अ सपोर्टर एंड ऐसा सपोर्ट तो मैं हमेशा लाइफ टाइम चाहती हूँ कि मैम जिस तरह से मुझे सपोर्ट कर रही हैं अदर मॉम्स को कर रही हैं, तो मुझे तो बहुत उम्मीदें हैं मैम, वो इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम ऑलवेज होपफुल, आई एम डेफिनेट कि आई विल बी इन such a great position next year because I have seen so much results within 1.5 months. So thank you ma'am, thank you so much, thank you for your love, thank you for everything.
So our second super mom is Soni Kumari. Son's name is Mukul Pandey. Age is 3.2 years old and they live in Odisha.
मैं सोनी मुकुंद मॉम आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ अपने अरुला परिवार में। मैं अपने अनुभव शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। अरुला जो अल्टीमेट बॉन्डिंग एनर्जी है, उससे जुड़ने के बाद एक माँ जो अपने बच्चे से बहुत प्यार करती है, उसका बच्चा बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रहता है 2 साल तक, 2.5 साल तक। अचानक से पता नहीं बच्चे को क्या हो जाता है और बच्चा बोलना बंद कर देता है और माँ का चिंता बढ़ जाता है। माँ डॉक्टर के पास जाती है, डॉक्टर ढेर सारा टेस्ट, ढेर सारी एक्टिविटी कराने को बोलते हैं। एक माँ डर जाती है कि क्या हो गया मेरे बच्चे को, और तब पता चलता है, तब मैं जुड़ती हूँ अरुला द अल्टीमेट एनर्जी, बॉन्डिंग एनर्जी। तब मैं जानी कि एक माँ में कितनी शक्ति होती है। एक माँ जो कर सकती है अपने बच्चों के लिए, वो कोई और नहीं कर सकता है। एक माँ का प्यार भरा स्पर्श जो जादू कर सकता है अपने बच्चों के लिए, वो दुनिया की कोई भी थेरेपी नहीं कर सकती है। और इस चीज़ को एहसास कराया हमें अरुला और उनकी जो फाउंडर है डॉक्टर मयूरी रामदासी मैम। मैं उनका भी तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने हम माँ को समझा, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को समझा और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जहाँ घर बैठे हमें वो सारी समस्याओं की हल मिल सके जो हमें और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है। अरुला ने हमें एहसास कराया कि हम अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, और इसमें सबसे बड़ा साथ दिया उनकी अरुला केयर की जो थेरेपिस्ट है, मेरी जो अरुला केयर थेरेपिस्ट है। उनका प्यार भरा आवाज, मयूरी मैम का प्यार भरा वो कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन माँ के लिए, उनके बच्चों के लिए ऐसा जादू किया जैसे मेरे बच्चे के लिए तो कोई जादू ही हो गया। मेरा बच्चा मुकुंद जो पहले बिल्कुल नॉन वर्बल चाइल्ड था, आज पार्सली वर्बल हो गया है।
A for D for ये ढूंढो, ये कहाँ है, ढूंढो ढूंढो। हाँ वेरी गुड, चलो सजाओ। F ढूंढो।
जो इतना हाइपर एक्टिव था, आज वो बैठने लग गया है, अपनी ज़रूरतें बताना लग गया है, उसकी सोशल स्किल डेवलप हो गई है, और ये सब मुमकिन हुआ है अरुला के प्रयास से। मयूरी मैम के वो कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन बताने का तरीका, जितने प्यार से वो बताती हैं, वंशिका मैम जितने प्यार से उस कॉन्सेप्ट को हमें समझाती हैं कि नहीं आप ये करो, ऐसे करो, इतना हेल्पफुल हुआ कि आज हमें ऐसा लगने लगा कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मेरी इस जर्नी में उनका बहुत साथ है। सो प्लीज़ मन में बिना कोई संकोच लाए अरुला से जुड़ जाइए। बिल्कुल नहीं, अरुला आपका दोस्त है। ये मेरे अनुभव है और आप खुद अरुला से जुड़िए और खुद एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए कि अरुला क्या जादू करती है।
My next mother is Navita Reddy. Son's name is Nikshit Reddy. Age is 5 years and they live in Telangana.
Yeah, before joining in Arla, my kid don't know anything. He's too much hyperactive. Cannot sitting in one place. He don't know his basic needs also. He's not responding for names. He's not recognizing anybody in the home. Just his every time he is playing with his alphabets, numbers like that. Continuously he is doing the same. Before I went to so many therapies, but no use for me. After joining in Arla, my son improved a lot. He is now sometimes behaving same like normal kid. Water full was in water. అన్ని ఫీల్ చేసేస్తారు నిక్కి. అమ్మా వాటర్ పోస్తున్నా. Sometimes it is surprising for me. He is asking his basic needs. He is recognizing everything. He is getting to know what he is eating. He is asking sometimes, I want this one to eat. I don't want this one, like that he is telling nowadays. He from after wake up he has to do his brush. He only telling something sometimes to me, I want to do brush, like that. But sometimes he's talking in sentences also. That is big thing for me. Sometimes he is talking in only words. He is asking anything. If he is hungry, I want water, like that. Nowadays from 2 days he is asking, I want a TV. You on the TV, like that he is asking. He is asking some cartoon characters also. You just put the cartoon character, like that he is asking. Before he is not having any bonding with family members. Now he is getting too much bonding with family members. Before, if anybody coming, he is going along with them. If they are going in the bike, he is going along with them. Now he know who is ours, who are strangers. He came to know now. Now he is not going. When I told him, no, you don't go like that. They are strangers. You have to go with mama and papa. He is understanding nicely. Whatever I am telling, he is understanding nicely, ma'am. With his story narration and incidental stories are working a lot. This parallel talk also improved a lot in my child speech. What question I am asking, he is getting now. If I ask anything, he is answering perfectly. Sometimes he is asking in 2 words or 3 words, answering in 2 words or 3 words. Sometimes he is answering in 1 word. Good thing is, what I am asking, he is getting to his mind. That is the big achievement. Nowadays I am getting 100%. Maybe after some days he will become normal. Without Arla, I don't know. Maybe my kid, what will happen to him? I don't know. Without Arla, that is the big question mark. When I'm thinking without Arla, what will be my child? That is a big question mark for me. I'm suggesting every mother who came to me and asked about this autism, I want to suggest, without any hesitation, I want to suggest Arla. Arla is the best. I don't know. सुपरस्टार।
Zadav. Child's name is Rajveer Zadav. Age is 7 years, and they live in Pune.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम जादव है। मेरा बेटा राजवीर 7 साल का है। मैंने अरुला का 5 मंथ्स बिफोर ज्वाइन किया। और क्योंकि क्या हुआ था, उसका स्पीच एक स्टेज पे आके अटक गया था जो आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा था। तो अरुला के बारे में मैंने सुना था और मैम की वीडियो देखे तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब मैम के बोलने से इंस्पिरेशन मिला। सो आई ज्वाइन अरुला एंड तब से मेरा मतलब बहुत पॉजिटिव चेंजेस मुझे दिखे हैं राजवीर में। मैम जैसे बोलती है सेशंस में, आई फील वेरी एक सपोर्ट जो होता है जैसे हमारे फैमिली का सपोर्ट होता है या अपनी माँ का सपोर्ट होता है, तो वैसे मैम जो बोलती है तो मैम का लगता है सपोर्ट। और राजवीर में भी मैंने काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स देखे आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग अरुला। बहुत सारी चीज़ें पकड़ रहा है क्योंकि मैम जैसे नेचुरल चीज़ों के साथ से कर रही है एक्टिविटीज जो डेली रूटीन के रियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, नॉट पर्टिकुलरली बाकी सेंटर में जैसे कार्ड्स देख के बुलवाते हैं या कोई ऐसा पिक्चर्स देख के बस बच्चों से रोबोटिक जैसा बुलवाते हैं, वैसा ना होते हुए जो ऐसा नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट में जो मैम सिखाती है एक्टिविटीज से उससे बच्चे बहुत जल्दी पिक करते हैं। और राजवीर में मैंने उसे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा। मतलब पहले बहुत स्लो था उसका प्रोग्रेस इन स्पीच, बट जैसे ही मैम की एक्टिविटीज मैंने स्टार्ट किए बच्चे उसमें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी पिक करना स्टार्ट किया और बहुत मतलब स्लोली अच्छा प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है उसमें। सो मैम के वीकली जो सेशंस होते हैं वो रियली इंस्पायरिंग होते हैं। मैम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बोलती है, नॉट ओनली एक्टिविटीज बट इन जनरल जो चीज़ें हमको समझनी चाहिए एज अ पैरेंट की कौन सी सिचुएशन में बिहेवियर्स में भी मैम हेल्प करती है कि कैसे हैंडल करना है या कैसे समझना है अपने बच्चों को।
As a mother, I always tell every mom, I mean, really explore your child to different environments. That is must. But always see to it that till what level your child is able to digest this.
तो मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक का बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है मैम के साथ, अरुला के साथ। अरुला टीम भी बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव है, 24/7 अवेलेबल रहते हैं। कभी भी अगर तो कोई भी डाउट के लिए मैसेज फोन कुछ भी करो उनका जल्दी से जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स आता है। और मैम भी हर बच्चे को पर्सनली देखती है, उनका प्रोग्रेस भी वो मतलब पर्सनली जानती है, वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ मिल जाती है। तो मेरे लिए तो अरुला बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट है। और मेरा बच्चा तो सीख रहा है तो बाकी सब को भी पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मिल रही है जो आई एम श्योर कि सबका फीडबैक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव होगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम एंड अरुला।
Age is 5 years and 4 months, and they stay in Madhya Pradesh.
Hello everyone, this is Vandana Sharma from Satna, Madhya Pradesh, and my son name is Purab Sharma. He's 5 years, 4 months old. So when I'm here to speak about Arula. Okay, so when it comes to Arula, Arula is like a मतलब क्या है मेरे लिए। Arula is something which has changed my life, which has changed my perspective, everything, my perception. It has changed everything in my life. Okay, so the milestones that my child has achieved with the help of Arula. Speech outcome, wonderful speech outcome, coming up with all his interest.
मोदी में भी लगा दो।
Mama, he is informing me all the things. He is asking me, he is demanding me. कि मम्मा आई वांट टू हैव पिज़्ज़ा, मम्मा आई वांट टू हैव नूडल्स, ये सब उसकी फेवरेट चीज़ें हैं जो वो आकर मुझसे डिमांड करता है, मुझसे बोलता है। तो एक ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे के लिए और एक ऑटिस्टिक मदर के लिए जब उसका बेटा आकर उससे ये कहता है, डिमांड रखता है, जो बच्चा जिसका स्पीच आउटकम नहीं था, लेकिन ये चीज़ें आकर अपनी मदर से कहना एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है। ही इज़ नो मोर इन द डायपर्स, ओके, आई एम wherever I go, I take him out. We are taking him without a diaper because he's going on his own. Recently, I took him to the swimming pool. Swimming pool में जब उसको सुसु आती थी, तो he used to go out and go for toilet, and then he will come to me and he will say to me कि मम्मा मैंने सुसु कर लिया, ठीक है। These are the small achievements, milestones that I've achieved. Talking with his father, grandmother over the call, through video calls and all that, recognizing all the family members by their names, playing with them, very good auditory skills, very good auditory skills he has developed. कि अगर बाहर कुछ हो रहा है, suddenly run away and he'll sing to me कि ये जा रहा है, ये है and all that. Good in academics also, very good eating habits he has developed. There are certain things which he eat on his own. Following all my commands, simple to complex, complex to simple, he is following all the commands, not only my commands, his teacher's commands, his father's, grandma's, everyone's command he is following. So I would say Arula has been a great game changer for me, and this possibility has been only possible because of Miss Mayuri Ramdasi ma'am. So it's the biggest blessing that I'm taking therapy through Arula. And Arula is my first and last approach. I've never taken my child to any OT, any speech therapy centers. So this is my first approach. Go ahead with Arula and be a part of it, and let you be also Arula be a game changer for you.
And to somewhere take this program ahead, I now call upon our Chief Operating Officer of Autism, Ms. Sunana Khedekar.
Thank you, Viraj, for such a lovely introduction of our 5 supermoms. And thank you everyone for joining us here today, extending the warmest of welcomes to all of you. Welcome to Arula for Autism family. Honestly, I don't even remember the exact time I became part of Arula or started working for Arula per se. Because ever since childhood, I was very much used to, all these children with their mothers coming over to our place, okay, to take sessions from Mayuri ma'am, my mother. And the possibility of making any new friends used to excite me a lot. But every time I used to approach them, I could not get that same healthy reciprocation back. Some children would just get very annoyed just by my presence. Some would start wailing and screaming. Some would treat me to be as invisible as air, and some would just not respond to their names, and so many other things, The kids in my school aren't like this, I thought to myself. What's wrong with these kids? The mention of autism first fell on my ears when my sister, the star of my life, Devahuti, was just 3 to 4 years old. So she had skipped some of her developmental milestones, like there's a babbling stage, kids babble, okay, when you look for too long in their eyes, they start smiling. So she had missed those stages, plus couple of some more stages. But then even then I could not get the opportunity of truly exploring the topic of autism, because in no time they would be running, kicking, playing like any other normal child, and of course the credit for which goes to my mom, Mayuri Ramdasi ma'am. It is almost a decade later that I've somewhat begun to comprehend the meaning of autism, and I'm 100% sure that I'm still miles and miles away from truly understanding it. Because autism is something that can be truly understood by only two people. That is the mother and the father of the child facing autism. To truly give you all a sense of how vast this problem, not a problem, diagnosis, it's not a problem, how vast this diagnosis is. Just 2 years back, Times of India released a statistic that said that around 18 million people in India were affected with autism. That's 1 crore 80 lakh people. Almost 2 years later, as of now, as per Arula's best beliefs, every 1 in 30 children is affected or is on autism spectrum disorder. Using a very dummy logic, that means that every classroom in India risks having at least 2 children who have or are at the risk of having autism. One may think that a diagnosis so profound, a condition so profound might have a very readily solution available to it, to cater to it, right? Absolutely not. Currently, the field of autism treatment, autism recovery, autism rehabilitation, whatever you may call it, is very fragmented. It is very poorly structured and even more poorly executed. In India, the definition of autism also changes doctor to doctor, by the way. So the moment any child gets diagnosed with autism, he is prescribed to go to 100 different therapies. And you may ask, are these therapies planned, customized, personalized, to cater to the unique needs of every unique child? The answer is not, they are not. What's even more worse than this is that parents are very much alienated from even entering the therapy rooms. Now imagine, as a parent, you don't know how your child is being treated, handled, or given the therapy to, in that therapy room. What does this do? This leaves the parent almost very much directionless and in a state of utter confusion. Now imagine doing this drill 5 to 6 times a week, 50 weeks a year, and years and years and years at stretch. You may expect at least some tangible improvement, right? In most of the cases, that is not the case. What is truly beautiful about Arula is that it breaks the complexities of all these so-called therapies, autism therapies, and gives the crux, the secret sauce of healing into the hands of the mother of the child who is facing autism. Our motto is simple but extremely powerful. It is, mothers, come be your child's own best therapist. You have no idea how powerful a mother can feel when she has that assurance, when she has that guarantee that she can be the ultimate healer of her child. I can't even imagine the magnitude of impact this approach has had on countless lives, and of course for that I once again salute to my mother, Mayuri ma'am. Some of the most notable achievements of Arula have been, and trust me, there have been so many that it was really difficult for me to be precise with this, is that our children have shown signs of successful verbal outcomes in just 3 months of joining. Be it a 3-year-old child or a 10-year-old boy. Why am I choosing such, why this age exactly? Because in rehabilitation, we consider that there is a golden window of development in which the child is expected to achieve most of his developmental milestones, if not all. And 10 years is, in most of the cases, people would tell you that 10 years is far too late to achieve them. But not even, if I have to share one news with you, Arula currently caters to a 24-year-old autistic child. And it gives me great pride and pleasure to tell that with 100% confidence that yes, we will be able to reverse this diagnosis in this person. Second, our children have learned to live independently. They are able to do things like packing their own tiffin. In some cases, we just saw a video of Sanithya, of Dr. Pallavi Goswami's son. He now wakes up and makes his own tiffin. He likes sandwich, he likes omelette sandwich. He wakes up, breaks those eggs, makes his own sandwich, goes to school. They have become so self-sufficient and independent to just carry on and lead their lives normally. And our children have started calling their parents Mama and Papa for the very first time. And last but not the least, most importantly, our mothers have become extremely capable enough to be the best therapists for their children, and this has been the real game changer. Arula was taken to a global scale exactly a year ago. In this 1 year, we have successfully impacted lives of more than hundreds of children and successfully proven all those people wrong who believe that autism is a hopeless condition. To all these people, I would gently ask, please talk to one of Arula's superstars who, just 2 weeks before joining Arula, was told by his school that, please take your child out of this school and that going to a special school is probably the only best option available for him. In just 8 to 10 months of Arula, he now stands second academically in his own class. Thank you. Being recognized as a startup by the Honorable Government of India is indeed an honor. And when that honor seems to define the lives completely of these countless children, this honor just multiplies infinitely more. Of course, this last year hasn't been completely that serene or calm. From getting countless rejections to our ideas, to building the confidence in the mothers who just refuse to believe that they could be capable enough to treat their own children, to making sure that each and every family enrolled with us is getting the best of what this world has to offer. Everyone at Arula has moved mountains in ensuring that our vision and mission is kept alive every moment of every day of every year. Please give it up for my Arula care therapists, my Arula guides, and everyone in the Arula super family. It is with great pride that I tell that Arula is the only therapy approach that is capable of securing promising results in not one, not two, but total all developmental areas in a child's life, at total 18 developmental areas in child's life. Moreover, Arula is India's first and only completely online platform which ensures that every child from even the remotest places of our country, like we saw Mrs. Soni right now, she's from Sonipat. So every child is getting his birthright to grow and prosper to the best of his capabilities. And on this note, I would love to hand over stage to Ms. Padma Shri to introduce Arula's first success story, someone who manages to keep me speechless every passing day, the star of my life, Devahuti.
From the Department of Therapist at Site. With the right therapy and even more importantly with love, faith, care and patience, every mother can transform her autistic child into a self-sufficient and independent person. Children with autism have immense talents akin to the diamonds waiting to be excavated from the darkness. Our mother-centric approach is designed to unearth and nurture these talents. It is my pleasure to introduce the first success story of Ms. Mayuri Ramdasi's Arula for Autism, her own daughter and our most favorite, Devahuti.
Hi. Oh, come on, I said hi. Please say something. Hi. I can't tell you all how happy I am to be here today. And that is totally not because I skipped class to be here. Yeah, 10th is a funny year. People for whom studying was a fictional concept up until now, people like me, for example, even they are panicking. Like everywhere I go, no matter where, no matter who I'm talking to, the moment they get to know I'm in 10th, they forget all other topics of conversations that I would much rather be engaging in and start talking about 10th, like beta padho, beta focus karo, beta this, beta that. But it's okay, it's a good thing. Motivators की इंडिया में कुछ कमी नहीं है. But the way they always say beta focus करो, it always bugs me. You know, there are some people out there to whom focus comes very easily. Like they can choose what to focus on and how much to focus on it. And those kind of people are another level of God gifted. Like my sister. But I'm not one of them. And I doubt that I would ever be. Because there is this idea, a larger than life thought in the back of my head that consumes all my attention, all my focus, all the time. No matter how hard I try not to think about it, no matter how hard I try to suppress it, it always resurfaces. A subject, an object, an activity, even a person, whatever it is, it's always there pestering me. To think about it, to study it, to indulge and submerge it. And I would much rather do that if it weren't for my 10th. to use all my time just to dissect and understand the very nature of this idea that I'm so fixated on. I would give up all my time, all my achievements. I would forget to eat, to sleep, to do anything else other than studying this thought. And this is what we call as a hyperfixation, something that is common in all autistic individuals. Though my hyperfixations do come in between and disable my day-to-day life, though they do disrupt my health if not controlled, I still love and consider it as a gift. For through my hyperfixations, I have been gifted with the ability to love something unconditionally. And you know, really, I truly consider myself as one of the luckiest autistic children out there. Because I'm organically, developmentally, emotionally, and physically capable enough to take care of myself and face my own struggles. I've reached a level of self-sufficiency and confidence that most people would believe impossible for an autistic individual. And this is the pinnacle of success for any autistic child out there. I may come across as a very confident and secure person right now, but behind this demeanor of surety, there is years of hard work on behalf of my parents. If it weren't for my mother, my father, my sister, I would have never been the person that I am today.
Wonderful speech and pouring your heart out, really. I'm honored to introduce our esteemed founder and creator, Ms. Mayuri Ramdasi. Ms. Mayuri Ramdasi is a global consultant speech and language therapist with over 23 years of experience. She completed her education in audiology and speech language pathology from Topiwala National Medical College in Mumbai. Mayuri ma'am has masterfully blended the art and science of speech language therapy, believing that spirituality begins where science ends. She heals her patients with practical knowledge and artistic touch and essence of spirituality. With this unique approach, Mayuri ma'am has created Arula for Autism, an ultimate therapy program that serves as a one-stop solution in autism. This program guarantees success in all the areas of an autistic child's life. Arula empowers mothers worldwide to become self-sufficient in caring for their children with autism. Mayuri ma'am believes that Arula is the ultimate binding energy between a mother and her child, more powerful than any other force in the world. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Mayuri Ramdasi ma'am, the reason behind Arula, the reason behind over 100 children's success in all these years and who have grown to conquer a successful future.
Hari Om, Shri Ram, Amban, Natha Samvit, Natha Samvit, Natha Samvit. To begin with my speech, it takes me to down the line, memory lane. Here I remember one song which my mother used to sing for me. Whenever she used to cuddle me, whenever she used to get time, whenever she used to talk to me, whenever she used to love me, feed me, make me sleep, at every time possible. The song is in my mother tongue, Marathi. It goes like this. देव जरी मज कधी भेटला माग हवे ते माग म्हणाला म्हणेन प्रभु रे माझे सारे जीवन देई मम बाळाला देव जरी मज कधी भेटला. The meaning of this song is very simple. A common mother, just like me and you. If the God meets this common simple mom and asks, "Hey my child, what do you want? I'm here to give you whatever you wish for." Then that mother says, hey Almighty, hey God, I don't want anything for myself. But my children are there. So please fulfill their wishes. Just shower them with your blessings and give them whatever they wish for, whatever they want. Just make them successful. This is the basic instinct of every mother, that they don't want anything for themselves. They just want their kids to be happy and progressive all the time. And this way, parenthood comes to the lives. A mother becomes a mother, a woman becomes a mother. There is the child grows. Everybody is happy in the family. Child achieves certain milestones. But at one point, something somewhere goes wrong. And there is an arousal of the condition called as autism. Autism, basically, it is a neurodivergent condition which is marked by 3 main symptoms which I consider. That is, first is lack of communication. I will say two-way communication specifically. Lack of socialization skills. And there is a presence of negative behaviors, repetitive behaviors, which disturbs the progress of the child. So I don't want to talk much about Arula. But here, I just know one thing. At the lotus feet of my mother, Mothia Chandika, I have taken an oath that every child from the corners of the world should be out of devastating effects, devastating conditions of autism. और ये मेरा ध्येय है, ये मेरी शपथ है, मेरी माँ के चरणों पर ली गई हुई, और ये पूरी होगी. और इसमें बहुत सारा साथ मिलने वाला है आप सभी का. Now the thing comes like inspiration. I'm blessed that both my daughters, they understand autism very well. Devabhuti is the emergence of Arula. Because of Devabhuti, Arula's, my third brainchild was born. And about Sunena, she's so nurturing it. She's going to take it next level, a global venture. And I really want to thank both of them. Then comes Dr. Deepak, my better half. I think the moment he married me, he said, I married audiology and speech pathology. So, but still, he managed. Throughout his life, he's still struggling. But can't help it now. उनको अभी भुगतना तो पड़ेगा. And the last, which I want to tell, I think thank is a very small word. You need to have a mentor or guru in your life. Degree is just a piece of paper. It gives you information. But this information has to be cultivated into knowledge. And that knowledge has to get transformed into wisdom. I think when these things, this journey you achieve, and stay in the journey, I'm not saying that I have reached up to the destination. But when you are into this journey, the flow, your mentor, or in ancient spirituality, or ancient Indian spirituality is called as Guru, who helps. My parents, Revati Ramdasi and Mr. Ramesh Ramdasi. They are not there with me today, but their blessings are there. The way they nurtured me, the way they brought up me, I think Arula is the result of that. My motherhood is the inspiration of my mother's motherhood. So it has carried along with my journey. They are my biological parents. But the importance of Guru, as I just mentioned, let me take you to them now. Dr. Aniruddha Dhairyadhar Joshi and Dr. Nanda Aniruddha Joshi. Dr. Aniruddha Dhairyadhar Joshi is a practicing rheumatologist. My Guru, the world with immense love called them as Aniruddha Bapu. He taught me the essence of speech pathology. He told me, he discussed a lot with me. He gave me the knowledge through his Parama Pavitra Grantha called Matru Vatsalya Vidyanam. It says that ancient Indian spirituality believes two major important concepts. It is based on that. The motherhood concept itself is based on two important concepts or principles. The first is Matru Vatsalya, that is the love of the mother, Maa ka pyar. And the second is Matru Kartavya, that is the duty of the mother. So when you achieve knowledge regarding both of this, then you are a successful mother. And I think every mother knows that. We are Indians. We should be proud of that. Our roots are so strong. So Arula is going to go a long way. Here I thank everyone who has been a part of Arula, directly and indirectly. The legal team, the web development, the digital marketing. What else? Sales. That I am coming to that. These are my assets. The Arula Care, the last Arula Care therapist, Viraj, Vanshika, Kinjal, Prashanti, Padmashri, Sanjana, Tamanna. Oh, many more to add. So I'm thankful to all of them. I'm thankful that being in this rainy season, you all have attended this event and blessed us. So I would like to end up my speech with one small prayer. अम्बे एक करी उदास न करी भक्ता सिहाती धरी विघ्ने दूर करी स्वधर्म उद्धरी दारिद्र्य माझे हरी वाचा शुद्ध करी विलंब न करी पावे त्वरे सुंदरी ध्यातो तुला अंतरी बोल भवानी माते की जय. See, Arula is going to heal generations. Today Mayuri Ramdas is there, tomorrow she will not be there. But Arula is going to go ahead. It is going to go. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा. मेरी आवाज ही मेरी पहचान है, घर याद रहे. हरिओम श्री राम हम वंद्य नाथ संविद नाथ संविद नाथ संविद. जय जगदम्ब, जय गुरुदेव.
To inform that you all can go and have the dinner and refreshments. All of the arrangements have been made. Thank you so much.